All right, we are in the library. I have to film the art for the students. It's amazing. It's called Through the Door, our Window. Artist Mason Cox. That's awesome. Maybe he's not a student. I don't know. Let's keep going. It's beautiful. I love the colors. Sandra fruits. Sandra fruits. That's beautiful. It's pretty. Swallowtails. Pamela Owen. This is my Skechers clicking if y'all can hear it. Sure, it's my weight. These are beautiful. Just this glass is all the glare. Autumn Blaze. Information and painting. I love it. I wish you could see without the glare. Misty Waters. Kathy Coons. Info. Beautiful. And this is really, I'm gonna stand in front of it so you might see my big head so you can see the painting. It's watercolor. Camera's not doing it justice. Also, of course, you can see the glare, but I love it. Okay, so it's not students because usually they have a write-up on the students. And let me see if the other case has a write-up. Sorry, y'all. Oh my, look at that. Beautiful. It's that glare. Look at that. Pamela Odom again. I love it, Pamela Odom. It's gorgeous. Okay, what's this? Let's see, where's this? Cindy Corky. Cute little fish. Oh, I like that. You guys can't see the texture of the paper, but it's really good. Oh, that's nice. It's Pamela Odom again. I like that one a lot. Loud doors. Y'all, my favorite flower, purple irises. There's the floor. That's pretty. Personality. Cindy again. Watercolor. I love it. Marianne Lovers, Sound of Music. I love that. Music notes. Scale. It reminds me of when I was in Kansas City at my sister's. Those are my shoes popping. I must have broke something. But anyway, listening to the birds sing. And my sister's window was incredible to wake up like that. All right, I'm going to the bookstore. That's the library.